Hi, today I'm here to talk to you about the challenge. It is the Teri's Crafty Christmas hashtag, and it's a collaboration between her and LineDotArrow, and 5 Facebook groups are participating in it: Sweet Pea Papers, LineDotArrow, Junk Journals, Tutorials and More, Junk Journal Paper Crafts, and Two Sisters Jam. And if you participate during the month of December and you post your makes, videos, pictures into these 5 Facebook groups, you are eligible to win some prizes. So the contest goes from December 1st to the 25th, and you can use both the freebies from Natalie's Facebook group, LineDotArrow. She'll be posting freebies on the first Saturday of December, the first 3 Saturdays of December. To watch the flip through of these beautiful kits, go to Natalie's channel and watch that. She posts that on November the 30th. The 2 kits are Blue Christmas and this one's Magic of Christmas, and Blue Christmas. I'll be using the Blue Christmas today. Just keep your eye also on LineDotArrow for the freebies that she'll be posting. If you post in the 5 Facebook groups, use the hashtag Teri's Crafty Christmas and post with what you've used, the freebies only or the freebies and a kit. And all the drawings will be at the end of December, the last weekend in December. So today my project is going to use Blue Christmas. I'll be using the sheet, this one here, and this one here. I will be making a busted canvas, so I have my 6x8 canvas, and I also have another canvas that is, I'm going to upcycle and use that one as well. So other items that I'll be needing is, of course, the scissors, a paintbrush, and some Mod Podge. So the first canvas I'm going to be working on is this one, and I'm going to put this page on it. So I'm just going to use the dry decoupage method, and for that you put your Mod Podge onto your substrate. I got too much. And then we're going to let that dry completely, and we're going to iron our picture onto that. So that is number 1. The second one, I'm going to do the inside, and the inside is going to get this piece here. So I need to cut this to fit inside. Must not have been able to see my cuts very good. Okay, continue to Mod Podge in there. You really don't have to be too close to the edges on this one. And I don't think I'm going to iron this one. I think I'm just going to lay it in. And I'm just going to make sure that's nice and flat in there. And I don't want anything over top of this one. So that is good. Now the next one, I am going to cover with this piece. And I think I'm going to go all the way around the edges on this one. So I'm going to Mod Podge the whole thing, and I will use the iron technique on this outside of it. So therefore, I'll be back when all of these are dried, and I'll show you how easy it is to get a seamless, non-wrinkly adherence using paper and printed paper and with no wrinkles. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm here now. I've printed that on cardstock. I've cut it down to the what I'd like. I'd like this image here on the busted out part. I want this up a little bit so I can put something down here. So I'll put that down onto the canvas. The parchment paper goes on next, and then I will iron it onto the Mod Podge. And it should make a nice seal without any wrinkles. It's going to reactivate the Mod Podge. Yep, that looks good. And then we have that already on the inside. This is going to be attached on there later on, so you won't be able to see that. And what I need to do now is attach this to this. And like I said, I want to wrap it around. So I don't know if that's going to work. I have another idea if it doesn't work on something that I can do. Now I didn't put my parchment this time because there's no glue being exposed. Didn't work. Finished wrapping this around the canvas, and I gave it some distressed vintage photo around the edges and a little bit on the inside. I distressed a little bit on there, and I have finished attaching that. It seems to have a good adherence, and then I covered the back with some chipboard or brown paper that I had. So here comes the fun part, ladies. Here comes the fun part. And gents. We're going to, I want this sitting up. I know I want my main cut to be about here. So I'm going to poke through the canvas Okay, and now I'm just going to start cutting the canvas. Normally we go from the center, but I really did want the window. Okay, so now I've busted through it. And now what I'm going to do, I have my hot glue gun here. And I'm going to start rolling this back onto itself. And I think I might actually glue this onto there now so I can see exactly how far I want to go. I might have to do some more cutting. So what I'm going to do is put my glue all the way around. Okay, let's see, I can tell already I want this to roll a little bit further. Okay, I'm going to roll my edges. I'll be back. Okay, so I have it all twisted back with the glue gun. I just rolled it all back. I had to do a few more cuts. I probably would try to do more centered the next time because I do have my canvas there. I'll probably figure out something there. I've been thinking about maybe putting traditional there. I was thinking about maybe some snowflakes. I was thinking about some bells, but that I'm not sure of. What I'm going to do is probably for sure trim it in something. I'm not sure which one. Probably this one. I'm thinking this one might be just the way to go. Or this one. Maybe this one. Anyway, my day is the 16th of December. I will show you this project completely finished, as well as my other two projects that I'm planning on doing with Natalie's kits. I love these kits so much that they just kept inspiring me to make another item. So I have them all printed and ready to go. I just have to finish up organizing my kits and putting them together. Okay, well, I will see you soon. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'd love it if you subscribe. I'm trying to hit my next goal, and that would really be helpful. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.